And today we have the ASUS TUF Gaming RX 9070 XT graphics card. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Let's have a look what's inside here. Okay, so we've got our warranty card, graphics card, obviously your pamphlet style long manual of warranty, quite normal. Okay, let's see. Certificate of reliability for passing the rigid reliability tests of the following components: capacitors, and it goes to list all of them, and then choke, MOSFETs, and then yeah, that's it. Pretty cool. Nothing else on that. Got a thank you card, and then we have our quick start guide, taking you through different languages, starting off with English, and then this obviously gives you how to connect things, plugging them in, and so forth. Okay, we've got this little Velcro tab, which obviously seems to be to mark your cable. Put your cable in there, close it up. Well, that's what I think it's for. That's quite sleek. We've got an ASUS TUF magnet. It's pretty cool. We've got a GPU anti-sag bracket, which is adjustable. So depending on your motherboard, this would obviously try and compensate for that so that you don't get sag on your GPU. Pretty cool. Okay. Time for the big guy. Let's quickly crack this open. Okay, we have got the TUF in all its glory. And look at that. That is just something else. Finish. Must say, ASUS does have quite a lot of quality pushed into these products. I mean, the details are just next level. I mean, you can definitely see you're paying for some quality when it comes to these GPUs. Look at that guy. In terms of connection, we have got 3 8 pins to connect the power to this guy. Then we've also got a P and Q switch. If you look over here, so obviously switch the card into those different modes. Left hand side being Q, right hand side being P. And that's unboxing the ASUS TUF RX 9070 XT GPU. And keep an eye open. I'm going to be running some benchmarks on this card.